Hello, my sparkling friend. I'm so thrilled you're here with me right now. If you're an executive assistant or virtual assistant who's been pouring every ounce of your energy into everyone else's priorities, if you finish your day feeling completely drained, guilty for wanting even 5 minutes to yourself, or caught in that endless cycle of people pleasing and burnout, well, then take a deep breath with me. You are exactly in the right place. I'm Beth, your joyful assistant and master life coach. And I created the Joy First framework specifically for brilliant, heart-centered EAs and VAs like you, who are ready to feel light, authentic, abundant, and deeply joyful in their work and their lives, without the guilt, without the burnout, or the constant exhaustion. Today, I want to share something truly special with you. A powerful combination that has helped hundreds of assistants finally feel lighter and more in control. Present moment awareness, paired with the gentle energy work that begins Pillar 1 of the Joy First framework. This isn't the full module you'll experience when you join me in the self-paced program, which is way so much richer, with your own beautiful workbooks, guided exercises, and my personal support. Instead, I want to give you a real taste of the freedom and lightness that become possible when you start right here. And spark your curiosity about how much more is waiting for you in Pillar 1. So, if you're ready to feel a little lighter, just by watching, grab a cozy seat, maybe a cup of tea, and let's begin. The present moment is the only place where true freedom, peace, contentment, safety, or happiness can be felt. This now moment is, in fact, all that exists. The things we dream of and the ones we fear are nothing but figments of the imagination. There's no future in which we will experience them. When we finally arrive at the future moment, it will still be, well, now. The key is this. Whenever you think about the future, you are actually experiencing whatever you expect the future to be, well, right now. The same is true for the past. There's no such thing as the past in this moment. It's already happened, and it will never happen again. Yet, we can re-experience it simply by thinking about it. The trick is to learn how to use the mind to purposefully recall memories or imagine future possibilities in a way that makes us feel good, not bad. And the only time we can assess this ability to choose our thoughts is right now. This is what my favorite teachers call the anxiety gap. That painful distance between where your mind is and where your body actually is. For VAs and EAs, especially, that gap can feel enormous. You're answering emails, managing calendars, anticipating your executives' every need. And your mind is already 3 steps ahead, worrying about tomorrow's meeting, next week's deadline, or that one client who might be unhappy. This mental time travel is ultimately the cause of so much anxiety and energy drain. When your mind is off in la-la land, while the rest of you is living in the here and now, it separates you from your true experience of life. There are two big ways thinking about the future causes anxiety and suffering in our roles. First, even positive anticipation can backfire. We imagine that future promotion or peaceful vacation and suddenly feel lacking, impatient, or disappointed because it isn't happening yet. Second, we imagine the negative things we fear may happen. We experience worry and emotional turmoil right now, as if it were already real. We suffer twice, once in our imagination, and then again if it really actually happens. The same pattern happens with the past. Replaying yesterday's difficult interaction, or that time you felt you dropped the ball. It steals your energy in the present moment. In real life situations, when something truly challenging is happening right now, a demanding boss, an impossible deadline, or feeling mistreated, there is the actual experience, yes, but there is almost always an extra layer of suffering created by our thoughts and judgments about it. We judge the situation as bad and project that suffering into the future, expecting it to continue. These thought processes add to our suffering. The beautiful invitation: whether you're dealing with imaginary suffering, mental time travel, if you will, or real life challenges, you can bring your awareness to the present moment. When you look at the pain, the fear, or the hurt, while also paying attention to your physical body, your breathing, and other sensations, rather than letting your mind judge the experience and conjure things to fear in the future, you minimize the suffering dramatically. That right there, that tiny shift into the present moment, is one of the most powerful energy plugs you will ever install. And it's only the beginning of what we will explore together in Pillar 1. Because once you can return to the now, you can finally see clearly where your energy is actually going and where it's coming back to you. That's where the gentle energy audit in Pillar 1 becomes so transformative in the full self-paced program. Module 1 gently guides you to discover your unique energy patterns across the 4 key areas that affect every assistant, people and relationships, places and environments, thoughts and inner dialogue, and habits and daily routines. You'll identify your personal sparks and leaks and create your very first small, joyful action steps. But you don't need the full course to start feeling a shift today. Right now, I've created a free gift just for you, the My Energy Audit and Permissions Practices worksheet. It's the perfect way to experience this gentle style immediately. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to download it right now. No strings attached. And if this is resonating with you and you're ready for the complete transformation, 6 full modules with beautiful printable workbooks, lifetime access, and my guidance every step of the way. Pillar 1, Reset Energy and Boundaries, is available today. You deserve to feel lighter, clearer, and more in control of your energy and your life, my friend. This is your invitation to a new approach, one that honors who you are instead of asking you to be more or do more or push harder. So I ask you to comment module 1 below. I read every single comment and would love to cheer you on personally. I will see you inside Pillar 1 and keep sparkling.